Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to add music to your YouTube Shorts. Launch the YouTube app on your smartphone or mobile device and look for the plus or create icon usually located at the bottom center of the app. Tap on it to open the creation options. From the creation options, choose Create a Short or Create Short Video. This will open the camera, allowing you to record a short video. Hold down the record button to start recording your short video. Lift your finger to stop recording. You can record multiple clips to create your short. After recording your video clips, you'll have the option to add music directly from the YouTube app. Tap on the music note icon or the Add Music option. This will give you access to a selection of music tracks that you can use as background music for your short video. Since YouTube Shorts have a maximum duration of 60 seconds, the music track might need to be trimmed to fit your video length. Some apps might allow you to adjust the start and end points of the music. Once you're satisfied with your short video and the added music, just press the upload button to share it with your audience. There you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.